Hello,
Hey there.
this is Michael.
That's Val.
Level 4.
Level 4. We talked a lot in this class. We scattered a lot. We put the scats into our footwork and we listened to music. I'm going to read our mission statement basically. How might we inspire dancers to challenge the status quo while creating collaborative and exciting partnerships within a single dance? So I want you to think about that every time you go out on the dance floor. Is how can I share this song with this person? I am going to listen to the music. I'm going to try to pick things out there, and I'm going to pay attention to my partner, and we're going to play off of each other. Today we did a lot of scatting. Just do that at home. Scat it out. And then we played music and we scattered on top of that and tried to put that in the workplace.
And then we put it into partner dancing. And it's okay, it was good. You could break some things, you could make some mistakes, but just give it more tries and try it, and then you'll have something you like.
And we'll do a lot more in the coming weeks. So thanks. See you later.